it's raining.
I hear it. Perfect for a warm meal.
It smells so good.
Ah, perfect cooking weather.
This ramen is so good.
It is perfect for this weather.
So yummy.
Whoa, thunder! I love rainy days like this.
It makes everything feel so cozy.
Look, it's really raining. So pretty.
Is it good?
So yummy.
Oh, a thunderstorm.
It's okay. I'll wipe the table clean now.
Thank you, dear. You are so helpful.
All done.
Here you go, sweetie.
Whoa, what was that?
Just a thunderstorm. Don't worry.
It's nice and warm.
Perfect for a rainy night.
Wow, it's raining.
It is a real storm.
And thunder.
We'll be safe in here.
The little bear found a cozy home.
And they all lived happily ever after.
The end.